Say hello to secure API authentication. Using API tokens. No more credential hassles. Easily create tokens with custom expiry, ensuring full control over access. The token is ready to use. Now, let's put it to work. Want to import data into Power BI? Simply use REST APIs. With your API token. Success. Data has been imported into Power BI. Now, configure your data seamlessly and unlock powerful visualizations. Need more control? Use group-based restrictions to limit API access to specific groups. Enable read-only access where needed. With our IP-based restriction, you can restrict access based on certain IP addresses. Simplify your REST API authentication and keep your data safe and accessible your way. Thank you.